building sales workflows in HubSpot. As a sales professional, you're constantly looking for ways to streamline your processes and close more deals. One powerful tool that can help you achieve this is HubSpot's sales workflow feature. In this video, we'll explore how to build sales workflows in HubSpot and why it's essential for your sales team's success. HubSpot's sales workflow feature allows you to automate and customize your sales process from lead qualification to closing deals. By creating a sales workflow, you can ensure that every lead is handled consistently and efficiently, and that your sales team is always working towards the same goals. To get started with building sales workflows in HubSpot, you'll need to create a new workflow. This involves selecting the type of workflow you want to create, choosing the stages and tasks involved, and setting up the necessary triggers and conditions. One of the key benefits of using HubSpot's sales workflow feature is that it allows you to create a repeatable and scalable process. This means that you can easily replicate your sales workflow across multiple teams and locations, and that your sales team can focus on what they do best, closing deals. By following these steps and using HubSpot's sales workflow feature, you can take your sales team to the next level and achieve greater success. So, if you're looking to streamline your sales process and close more deals, be sure to check out this video and learn how to build sales workflows in HubSpot. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more sales tips and tutorials.